Happy holidays! Please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Click on like. I would love to hear from you, so please comment. Helpful ones are greatly appreciated. Share with family and friends, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop my next video. Without further ado, thanks and let's get cooking. Happy holidays. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be making the best ultimate seafood fettuccine pasta in Alfredo and Basil sauce. The reason why I'm calling it ultimate is because it has a couple of my favorite seafood items, and you can do the same. So to start off, I have 4 lobster tails, and I have cut it in halves and also seasoned it. And you can use any season you like. I have in here granulated garlic and some Knorr seasoning. I have a pound of Devein shrimp. Again, it's also seasoned. I have half a pound of Atlantic salmon. I've cut that into little chunks. And I also have 12 ounces of jumbo scallops. For veggies, I have portobello mushroom. I love portobello mushrooms. I have red onions, and I have mini peppers, as well as sun-dried tomatoes. For my sauce, I mentioned it's Alfredo and basil. And for seasonings, I have minced garlic, red pepper flakes, cilantro, and also basil leaves. And I do have some grounded basil, and this is from Liberia, and of course olive oil. Let's get started with boiling the pasta. For the fettuccine, I have a 60-ounce pack, and it's very easy. All you have to do is follow the directions. It's gonna boil for 10 to 12 minutes. I already have salt in there. And that's basically it. And I will be checking on it. In the meantime, we're going to start the sauce for the pasta. I already put some olive oil in the skillet, and I'm going to start with the lobster tails. And the oil is on medium high. As you can see, I didn't take off the shell from the lobster. In my pasta, I love to see colors. So that's why I didn't remove the shell. Turning it over. Look at that color. I'm going to add the shrimp. That looks so great. Next is my salmon. Last would be the scallops, because they are kind of tender. In the meantime, I'm going to go and check on the pasta. I'm going to add the scallops. That looks very nice. And if I need to spray any of the olive oil, I will. I most likely will be doing that. I kept it boiling for 10 minutes because it's going to be mixed in the sauce. I'm going to let it cool off a couple of minutes while I'm getting the seafood ready. That looks so good. So what I'm going to add in there will be my mushrooms. And some of the red onions. I will be adding the mini peppers last. Let's start with the minced garlic. I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of it. I'm going to put a little cilantro, and the rest of it will be after the pasta is already cooked. This is the grounded basil that I told you about from Liberia, and it's organic. And the basil leaves, and my red pepper flakes. And again, you can season this to your taste. This recipe is versatile, so you can use whatever seasoning you want and also whatever seafood that you would like. So I will need more olive oil. And I'm gonna give this 2 more minutes. Lovely. I'm gonna add my mini peppers. Wow, doesn't that look nice? Okay, time for the sauce. Pour that in. I started with the Alfredo sauce. Next is the basil sauce. Let me give this a good stir. That looks nice already. And I usually add my sun-dried tomatoes to the sauce instead of after the pasta because of course I don't want the pasta breaking up. And you can put as much as you want. I love sun-dried tomatoes, so I'm just gonna sun-dry it. This is really easy to make. Please, please make it for the holiday. And also after the holiday. Now we're gonna put the pasta in. And I am gonna give it a slight good stir. Look at that. That is so delicious. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna add more sauce. Each bottle was 15 ounces. I just like a lot of sauce on my pasta. I don't know about you. So I'm just gonna add like half of that. And I think that should be sufficient. Yep. And we are gonna give this just 2 more minutes and it should be ready to serve. I hope you try this recipe. As I mentioned, it's very easy to make. The entire recipe is gonna be in the description section of the video. So please click on the description section to get that recipe. And you know what time it is. That looks so good. I'm gonna look for some mushrooms. And some salmon, shrimp, okay, I have a little bit of everything. And I'm gonna garnish it with some mozzarella shredded cheese. You can use fresh mozzarella cheese. I didn't have any fresh one to grate, so I purchased this from the supermarket. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cilantro over it. And let's see. It is so good. Very nice. Delicious. Mmm.